Now I'll show you the next flow that we have, which is the shipper can invite a vendor to accept the load. So vendor is the carrier of sorts, a carrier or broker who is not part of this marketplace, right? That means a shipper has an offline relationship and they want to invite the vendor to bid on the load or accept the load. So I'm just going to quickly create a new load, and it's pretty much the same as what I had. I'm just going to go through this really quick. I'm just going to pick up a load here. I'll confirm that the pickup is same as sender. So this is same, and too much about it. Really quick. Just gonna go through this quickly. Save this load. I'll take a pickup. So I just wanted picked up. So I want this pick up tomorrow, right, 10 a.m. and I want this dropped by 11. I want to do this by 18. Okay. Now I'm going to choose a vendor. So I have one vendor created here, right? This is the vendor, Dimitri John, right? I'm going to invite that vendor. I'm going to propose a rate for this load. I will not accept bids. So this is going to be a fixed bid. If once he takes it, right? So I'm just going to put an offer in there, shipper notes, and I will post it. Once it's posted, it goes to my shipments. It'll show up here. And this is my vendor. The vendor would receive an email that there is a new load that you've been invited to bid on. If I click on place your bid, it'll open the invite or the URL. And I can, if I want to see what number I've used, I'll quickly go to my vendor portal and I will pick up this number. This is the number that has been shared with me. Quickly go here, log in, and I can then see the load as a vendor, right? So this is the load. It will tell me how much money I'll make and how much I'll make per kilometer. I can click on accept and accept, right? Now it goes to the negotiation flow in some sense. It's waiting for the shipper or the TFS or the broker to accept. So now I'll go back to my shipper portal. I'll go on tendering shipments. Right? Sorry, I'll go to my shipments and go on accepted. I see there's an offer here in the posted tab. And here I know that the vendor is accepted. If I want to accept it, I can accept the load. Now the load gets assigned to a vendor. Now the cool thing is that the load has been accepted by a carrier who is not within the system, right? And once that is done, the carrier or the vendor can assign the vehicle and they can add a number here, right? They can put a number plate and they can then assign the load to one of their own drivers, right? They can put an IME number and click on continue, right? And now the vendor can actually assign or update the status as the delivery is happening. So they can update it and they can update it manually from this portal. And if I go back to my shipper portal, I will be able to see the updates happening here. I'll be able to see all the information here, right? This is how the flow works between a shipper and a vendor. This is a way in which a shipper can post a load and invite one of their offline carrier or broker contacts to bid on the load, right? This is a new feature that we've added into the Loadfinder.ai product, right? Next, I will cover the flow where the broker can log in, create a load, and assign it to one of his own drivers, right? They can use it. They can effectively use Loadfinder.ai as almost like a SaaS solution, which comes with its own TMS.